Thinking about getting into property or tired of the low returns and high stress of traditional buy-to-lets? Landlords across the United Kingdom are ditching outdated models and turning to serviced accommodation. Why? Because serviced accommodation gives you higher income, more freedom, and a smarter way to grow your property business. Join us at the Serviced Accommodation Summit, an exclusive free online event where you will discover exactly how to set up, systemize, and scale your serviced accommodation portfolio from scratch. You will learn how to set up a fully compliant serviced accommodation business fast. Use our proven 7-step system to secure your first property in 90 days. Get our secret scripts to make agents come to you. Net up to £15,000 annually per property. I am Angel, your international coach and founder of Angel Dragons Limited. Alongside my expert team, I will show you how we help new and experienced investors get real results, using systems, insider tools, and luxury developer connections across the United Kingdom, Egypt, Dubai, and Bali. Whether you are starting out, scaling up, or tired of doing it all yourself, this is your moment. Click below and save your spot now. It is time to go from landlord to landlord 2.0. Credits. Written and presented by Angel, founder of Angel Dragons Limited.